Realme has officially introduced its brand new C-series smartphone, the Realme C85 5G, and it's already turning heads with an impressive blend of power, performance, and design. The device made its debut in Vietnam, bringing a refreshing upgrade to Realme's budget-friendly lineup, this time with 5G capability and some premium touches that make it stand out from the crowd. At first glance, the Realme C85 5G looks sleek and modern, boasting a large 6.8-inch HD+ display that promises an immersive viewing experience. The smoothness of the screen is backed by a super-fast 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth scrolling and gaming performance. The display can reach up to 1200 nits of brightness, making it perfectly visible even under bright sunlight. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing, the visuals are crisp and fluid, providing a premium feel at a mid-range price. Beneath the stylish design, the smartphone packs a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset coupled with a Mali G57MC2 GPU, offering solid performance for multitasking, gaming, and daily use. The Realme C85 5G comes with 8GB of RAM, which can be virtually expanded up to 16GB using internal storage, giving users a seamless experience even with heavy apps running in the background. Storage isn't a concern either, as it offers 256GB of onboard space, with an option to expand further through a microSD card. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on this device. On the back, it sports a 50-megapixel main lens powered by Sony's IMX852 sensor, ensuring bright, detailed, and color-rich shots in various lighting conditions. There's also a secondary lens to support depth and detail. On the front, the Realme C85 5G houses an 8-megapixel selfie camera neatly placed in the center punch hole cutout, perfect for capturing sharp selfies and making clear video calls. Powering all of this is a massive 7000 mAh battery, one of the largest in its class, ensuring extended usage throughout the day without worrying about frequent charging. When it does need a top-up, the 45W fast charging technology comes to the rescue, quickly powering up the device and keeping you connected on the go. The phone runs on the latest Android 15 operating system with Realme UI 6.0 layered on top, offering a refined, user-friendly interface packed with smart features. In terms of security and durability, the Realme C85 5G is equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick access and an IP69 rating that provides strong protection against dust and water. Connectivity-wise, it covers everything you could need: dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Physically, the phone measures 166.07 by 77.93 by 8.38 millimeters and weighs around 215 grams, giving it a solid yet comfortable feel in hand. It's available in two striking color options, Peacock Green and Parrot Purple, both adding a vibrant and youthful flair to the overall design. Priced at approximately 7,690,000 Vietnamese dong, the Realme C85 5G delivers incredible value for money, combining stylish looks, robust performance, and premium features in one sleek package. It's a smart choice for those who want a feature-packed smartphone that doesn't break the bank.